Hi, this is Paul with Alpha Rain, and I wanted to come to those and talk to you about metal roofing for Millwood, Virginia. We are Alpha Rain, and we've been installing just metal roofing for the last 15 years. And one of the things that we've been looking into for the last 10 is proper ventilation. We've come up with different methods, different ways to vent your roof. Some worked well, some didn't work as well. And now we've come up with a ventilation that goes underneath your roof, and it works amazing. It's actually the most energy efficient ventilation system in America that we can even find. So I want to show you kind of how it looks and just talk about the idea behind it and then the function behind it. So this is the thermovent. This panel actually has grooves. You can see them, and they run vertical. And we'll actually install a radiant barrier down first, and we'll do grooves down installation with this panel, and then we'll put the metal roof on top of the backside here. So let's talk about what this does for you. Average attic air temperature is 150 degrees. A lot of customers don't know that, but if you go up into your attic and get a laser thermometer, point it around, check everything out, you're going to find on an 85-degree day even, your attic will be 150 degrees. Some attics don't get up there until it's 90 degrees outside, but either way, 95-degree attic, oh, it can bake up there, especially in Virginia. And if you don't have proper ventilation, and let's talk about ventilation. Industry standard ventilation is what is in the home that I just bought. Has an asphalt roof on my home, and it's got a ridge vent along all tops of the ridge, and it's got soffit vents, and they do work properly. They're not covered up. Air would come into the attic and vent out the ridge vent. It's not very efficient. It does work. It functions actually like it should. It was installed correctly. On a 90-degree day, I've been in the attic, and it's 140 degrees with quote-unquote industry standard proper ventilation. This is not industry standard. This is way beyond it. I'm looking forward to taking tests in my attic once I install this and seeing that it's the 100 degrees that we see on all the previous installations that we've done with this panel system. So check us out online, alpharain.com. We have samples. I'm not going to bring out a full sheet like this and show you, but we have smaller samples that will show you how it works with the metal roofing, how the air comes in, how it escapes. Most of the ridge vents that you see, or I should say metal ridges on the tops of 99% of all the homes in Virginia, they don't ventilate. Even though they look like a ridge vent, doesn't ventilate. And we'll show you why that is, because you actually have to get a special machine to perforate the metal that you don't see to allow the air to escape. And we do that. So check us out online, alpharain.com. And you can give us a call at 540-222-1642. Thanks for watching.